Welcome back, guys, to another episode. Last night we launched and we got absolutely smashed by the weather. I'm talking wind, rain, you name it. We got smashed by all of it. Absolutely blowing a gale. Yeah, the forecast was predicting a bit of weather and rain and whatnot, but we actually got pelted on the way out to the islands. You need to find somewhere to batten down the hatches and ride for the night. So, oh, look at that shark. Go a bit of a flick in this estuary creek here. A bit hidden away from the ocean, but see how we go. The sun's coming out, so that's a good thing. Yesterday, buddy's over the other side. Hey, get here. Gonna go for a flick out the front. I do see some coconut trees over there, so I'm gonna go have a look if there's actually coconuts on the tree because I'm thirsty. Okay, we've had no luck on the fishing rod, so I'm going to chuck the drone up, catch the sunrise, and yeah, show you where we are. Just pulled up on the beach, has the whitest sand. I'm not worried, thinking about tomorrow. I'm feeling everything I need from you. It's all I believe in. I know you feel it too. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. So nice, just pulled up on this beach. The sand's so white. And the view is awesome from up here. Oh, there's some coconuts. There's some coconuts. Oh. Yes.
Got milk in them. And we're set. Beautiful. Bit of a rookie area there for me. We were having too much fun on the beach and ended up stranding ourselves for the day. So got about 3 hours till we could probably get out from now. I'm just going to go along the beach. I bring my metal detector with me. Gonna go have a little metal detector, see what I can find. And yeah, see what we can get up to. Oh, cool. Ooh. So the plan is tonight's dinner, just because we're stranded, the tide's not coming in for a few hours and it might most likely be on dark time by the time we set sail again. So I'm just out here gonna get a few oysters off these rocks, fresh oysters, cook them up and have that for dinner tonight. We do have some soy sauce in the boat, so that's going to go extremely well. So just get a few oysters to feed us. Oh, that one. A few nice oysters in there. I'm gonna cook them up now. As I was looking through here, I just seen some worm kind of looking thing. I'll show you what it is. Some kind of strange worm. It's moving. Oh, that's so weird. I don't even know what that is. If you guys know what that is, let me know in the comments, because I'm very curious now. Oh! Actually tastes good. So good.
Yeah, it's like the parsley and the lemon.
So the tide coming in now. Just had a quick feed of oysters on the beach. Wait for the tide to come in and... Woo! We're off, baby! Yoo! The trip was unfortunately cut short. The first night we went out, we got absolutely smashed by weather. But the second day, we ended up getting stranded. We found some oysters, we found some coconuts, and we made the most of the second day. You guys are probably wondering why I'm laying in the swag right now. It's because this is the swag we took camping and I haven't cleaned it out, because tomorrow we're heading to the reef for another overnighter. So stay tuned for that. I need to go get packed now, pack the boat, pack the car, pack the swag, and we're gonna head straight to the reef. Just rocked up at the reef. Gonna jump in, see what's around. That's so clear. Oh, look how clear it is. Just spent the day at the reef. Come back to the islands this afternoon for a sleepover. Got the beautiful sunset happening in the background. Gonna chuck the drone up. Got some fish cooking here. It's gonna be an absolute pearler of an afternoon. Freshly caught trout. Straight on the pan. Man, just look at how crispy that is. Oh. Gonna catch that sunset. I'm so hungry as well. I've eaten all day. To finish it off, a zest of lemon. Which one do you want? They're so good. Unreal. Fresh trout caught about, speared actually, about 2 hours ago. Came back to the local islands, cooked her up. Beautiful.